Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to look at a different question. First, I'll read the question and then I'll answer it. So, today's question is, talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. You should say who you gave advice to, what the advice was, why you gave the advice, and how you felt about the advice. I usually don't give advice to people because I think it's such a waste of time and most of the time it doesn't help. But there have been situations where I was forced to give advice. One such situation happened about a year ago. I was working in a private limited company and there was a girl in that private limited company. Her name is Ria. She was the digital head of that company. She was really sweet, kind, and she was such a beautiful girl. But suddenly her character changed. She started crying the whole time. She would come to the office and start crying and wouldn't stop. And she was not being nice to people. She was being really mean to her colleagues and she was finding it hard to regulate her emotions. I happened to see it and I knew she was not basically a really bad person. It's just that something was bothering her and she thought it was the circumstances around her. But I felt it was something with her mental health and that required attention. Besides all this, she was also afraid of everything around her. She was afraid of darkness, she was afraid of rain, she was afraid of everything around her. So when I felt like she needed some medical attention, I told her it was important that she consulted a psychiatrist or a psychologist. At first, she was reluctant to do it because she thought the medications would harm her body and it would do something bad to her body. But I said it was very important that you do it because it would improve the quality of your life. Even then, she was not willing to do it. But after constant persuasion, she finally decided to consult a psychiatrist. She went to the psychiatrist and they figured out that she had depression and she was struggling with it. They started medications and within a week she started to feel better. I was very happy that she finally came back to life and I was so proud of her. So this was the time when I gave an advice to someone and I was very happy about it. I hope that helps. Happy learning.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.